Whether you are a change agent trying to transform an organization to Agile or an employee trying to sell your product idea, you need to have the skill to convince the management for the change. In this video, I will walk you through 10 steps that will help you garner the management support. Number 1. Do your homework. Look around and see why you think an improvement needs to be done. So before approaching the management, look around and deeply understand why you think an organization should move to Agile. Sometimes when all we have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. So it is very important that you look around and identify what problem you're trying to solve. Is it a product quality problem? Is it a schedule problem? Is it a competitive edge that you think a company can gain by moving to Agile? So that's the number 1 step for you, to do your homework and understand what is it that you're trying to pitch. Number 2 is to collect information to validate your assumption of step 1 problems. So if you think it's a product quality issue, get data on post-release defects, on set returns, and whatever else that you can get your hands on. If you think it is a schedule problem, then check up on how many features couldn't hit the market on time as per the plan. Try to get as much data as possible. Number 3 is to scope the improvement area. Now, your data may say that most projects in your organizations are running late. So, do you want to focus on the whole organization, or would you like to focus on one product line, or one team, or one business line, or one center? Scoping down your improvement is very important, especially in terms of practicality of implementation. Number 4, make sure that you understand your own viewpoint and develop reasoning around it. Many a times I have seen people start a debate with a particular viewpoint, and during the course of the debate, their viewpoint completely diverges from their initial position. Number 5, before presenting, understand what could be the motivation for this person or for this group to change. For example, if you are presenting to a business line head who is very aggressive and ambitious, hint how he could lead an entire organization to Agile transformation if his product line transformation is successful. If you're pitching to a CEO, you could pitch on the competitive advantage that one would get when you move to Agile and the cost advantage that you would be getting. You need to go through the steps 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 before you actually start presenting to the management. In point 6, you start presenting to the management confidently and assertively. Ensure that your body language also portrays confidence, and go through your points logically. Number 7 is use benchmarking data with caution. If you can look up at your competitors and start using their benchmark data, for example, where is their market share compared to our company's market share, and show how Agile can improve bridging that gap. It is important that you use this data with caution, because normally when you present to a business, the first thing what everyone would say is our business is different from theirs. So the moment you hear this, you need to back off and convince them that your intention is not to compare both the businesses. Number 8 is listen, listen and listen. Listen for spoken and unspoken messages. Pick up hints and see which points you're talking, excite them and dwell a lot more on those points. Number 9 is gaining trust by being truthful. Whatever you're presenting should be something that you also believe in. This shouldn't be an attempt for you to get an opportunity to progress your career. Number 10 is give an inch and gain a mile. Now, when you are presenting this, there could be certain aspects of it which the management doesn't want to go ahead with. For example, very often I have seen management being very apprehensive about pair programming. So rather than sticking to it and saying that no, we cannot implement Agile without pair programming, you go ahead and agree, fine, we will not look at pair programming right now. Let us just move forward, and probably somewhere during the future, you may get an opportunity to implement pair programming and then show the benefit to the management. Therefore, give an inch and gain a mile. So here are the 10 steps that we went through in this video. you can pause the video and go through it. I hope these 10 steps will help you convince your management on your ideas. If you found this video informative, do like it and share it. And do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.